So pinisa niya yung hopya natin.
Patay daw.
Okay, so today it's our ride day. And here's my friends. So the call time is 5:30. It's 4:30. And today it's 5:30. Okay. So and we'll be back and see you on my ride. Hi guys. So we're going and it's already 6:12. Alright, let's go. Ride safe. Alright, let's go. Ano tayo, Pierre? Rat-rat muna tayo hanggang doon ng konti, ha? Rat-rat tayo konti, Jim. Ano, magpapagas ka ba? Sige, ano, doon na tayo sa Paranaque para diretso tayo. Let's go! Sa tangin na refill na naman. Bergon. Yes sir. Tapos ano tayo? C5 extension and then kaliwa sa sa duty free. So we're here at C5 extension. And we're going Mount Samak. Let's go. Let's go. Tricycle. Mabasa. Dito. Oh, pwede. Ano, kaliwa. Para ano, madami ng sasakyan. Ito, pero hindi naman ginagamit yan. Paparampam. Diretso, ano, taas sa ano, kaliwa. Diretso. Early ride to Bataan. My favorite. PICC. What's up? Ang daming tao. PICC is COVID free. Oo, ang dami tao. So let's go. Diretso. Sa pier na lang magpagas. So we're here, Northport, Manila. No, Northport. Shout out sa Jollibee. Gutom na kami. So we're here. Still at Tondo. Casualty. Tanggal ang pipe ng aming tropa. So kailangan namin maghanap ng bracket. Alin ang putol? Tingin niya. Pasok mga dito. Dito hindi kaya pasok.
Hindi kaya. Ayun yung putol.
Ay gagi. So welding ang hanap natin.
Natira yung bracket welding.
Oo.
Kaya naputol. Hindi, pag may nakita na lang tayo dyan.
So ayun, nakahanap kami ng welding shop. So magkakape muna kami.
Yes, coffee. Here in
Saan ba tayo? Nabotas na ba?
Ito, alam ko eh.
So we're here in Nabotas. Magkakape muna.
Exercise muna tayo guys. Sama tayo.
Exercise muna kami. Walking.
Ano rin, kalsada?
Oo, sinara.
Pabebe boy. What's up, Pabebe boy? Shout out to Pabebe boy. What's up, nigga? So we're here at welding shop. Paayos lang namin yung pipe, then we're gonna go.
Pinaanan natin yung ano, Nabotas Elementary School.
So coffee time while welding.
Alokin mo yan, alokin mo yung alak.
So pinisahan niya yung hopya natin. On Samat, here we go. We're going. So yun, tapos na, no? So next stop namin, it's Bulacan. XRM lang malakas. So we're here at Balagtas, Malolos. Okay, sabi nila meron daw checkpoint sa Dinalupian. Titignan natin. Mapapabalik tayo ng maaga. Maagang inuman. Bukawi Bulacan Public Market. Shout out. Shout out to my friend Torswaki boy. Watch out for Motorswak. Wow. Tayo dyan. So merong mini pool dito sa Bukawi. Shout out to the mayor. Sabay tayo dyan. At yung lakas Slovakia. Kasi puro lubak. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. Did you see? That's a motocross move by Manong. Sending ovations to Manong. So shoutout sa'yo Manong, ang lupit mo. Kaya nga eh. So we're doing in slow motion here. Shoutout to our navigator, Motomon. So we're in Balagtas, Bulacan. Oh, too many Ilocos, Slovakia. Go, go, go. To Mayor, there's a flood in the national highway. Wow, very beautiful view. Yeah. So, ano tayo? Nire-review ng tropa ko yung owning shock yung peke. Titignan namin kung matibay. So nag-off-road. Utang na lang laki. So mukha naman matibay yung owning shock niya. Bili na kayo. Peke lang. It's 47,000 lang. So Plaridel Access Road, shout out! We're here! Alamig ka akin sa inyo! So hopefully, by next ride, maririnig nyo na rin sila! Tagpuan private pool. Okay, mukhang maganda to na. Shout out Tabayanas 3 for 1,000. Napakamura po dito sa Plaridel. Shout out din sa farmers. Thank you for the bigas, jasmine, sinamboming, and etc. rice. Thank you. Hindi pala Plaridel, Pulilan pala. Sorry, it's Pulilan. Plaridel ba? Okay, Plaridel pala. Papulilan pa lang. Okay. So shout. So dito sa Bulacan, walang kalubak-lubak dito sa Bulacan. So ayan, ang sarap mag-drive dito dahil walang lubak. Pwede kang mag dito ba yan? Let's go, let's go. Shout out, shout out. Shout out to my friend Jim. Shout out sa tropang 180cc. Nagpalit ng pipe para iwas huli. San Isidro. Shout out. Ganda ng simbahan nyo. Shout out, we're at Kalumpit. Umaya na. So shout out to my friends Bataan. We're here. Si Kuya, hindi namin kakilala. So we're at Baluwag, Bulacan. As you can see, that's Baluwag. Actually, hindi namin alam kung nasa na kami. Palit. Ayun, Pampanga daw, sabi nila. Ang anay. So yun, we're 2 hours behind. Medyo matagal kami because maraming pit stop. Tsaka andito si Pabebe Boy in front of me. Pabebe Boy, shout out. Shout out sa LJ Spandosal. Wow! Si Baymax. So shout out to Baymax. We're here at the Jed's Island Resort. So Pampanga, shout out, we're at Pampanga. Pampanga, here we go. Lubak daw, lubak. Uy, gago. Grabe yung lubak. Ang layo nila. Layo nila, layo nila. So we're SM City, Pampanga. Shout out. Pakalayo nyo. Putang. Oh, ito muna. Lapit-lapit na naman siguro tayo. Wala sila, napakalayo, walang Hey, San Fernando, Pampanga, home of the Giant Lanterns. Villa de Bacolor. Wait lang. Guys, napakaluwag po. Olonga po, here we go. So we're here, break time at Mang Inasal. Ay ng halo-halo, boss.
So, ganito kumain ng halo-halo, guys, ha? Remove the mask. Remove the mask always and eat this stiko. Put it back again.
Put it back.
Then call the waiter.
Call the waiter.
Okay, pa-take out.
Gago ka. So ayun guys, Yossi break. Tapos diretso na kami, may nakausap kami na wala daw checkpoint. Then dire-diretso na siguro kami. So, shout out. Shout up. Sobrang tanghali. So, shout out kay Auring. As you can see, it's a very very sunny day. And a sunny man. So we're gonna go and see you in Mount Samat. So ayun na nga, tapos na po kami kumain. And we're going to Bataan. May nakausap kami kanina. Sabi ko nga wala raw checkpoint. And hopefully tama si Manong. Shoutout kay Manong. Manong Tagala, Lubaw. Si Manong L, Lubaw. Manong Lubaw. So it's okay. Dito tayo sa Gapo. So positive nga, may checkpoint.
National Grid Corporation.
Dito kami sa Gapo ngayon. Hinihintay namin yung ibang kasama kasi na-checkpoint sila. So sana sa Bataan wala. And we'll be back. Tignan natin mamaya.
Makakalusot pa sila.
Yun na nga, nakalagpas kami sa checkpoint. Mission unlock. Ang problema namin, papuntang Bataan. Sabi nila sa Dinulupian meron daw. So, let's see if we can. You know what to do. We're gonna ask some locals if we can get through Dinulupian, Bataan. Okay, so shout out to the Olongapo officials. Thank you for passing us through to Bataan. Back to you, Motomon. Gusto mo Bataan? Shout out to Manny Villar. Ano? Nandito na tayo. So we're here at Mount Summit. As you can see, there's a big cross on top of the mountain. If you can see the cross, malapit na tayo. Grabe. Sobrang init. Ay, sarado. Patay. Oh, dito na sa daanan kuya, mag-video lang. Ah, meron? Hindi pwede kahit mag-entrance kami. Ah, okay lang. Ah, pagbaba na lang namin.
Mahuli kami. Hindi kami dala-dala.
Sakit lang naman kami kuya, mag-ano lang. Bababa rin kami kagad. Pagbaba na lang namin, mag-ano kami. Mag-entrance na lang kami. Sige kaya, salamat. Yun. Ano sabi? Sige, tara. Tangin. Mababali wala yung punta natin eh. Wala naman, baka may mag-ikot lang daw na polis. Oo nga, sabi nila sarado, pero maraming tao. So we're here. Tama. And sarado sila. So tatambay lang tayo dito sa labas hanggang mamaya.
Ay, kay Momo, maganda cellphone ni Momo.
Wait lang.
And I'm with Motomon. Peace out.
Ako parang ginawan.
And with
Sa Digimon.
Motorswap.
Digimon.
Meron tayong problema.
Ano yan?
Nag-record. Ano kayo?
So ayun, we've reached our destination. And now,
Photo ko muna to. Wait lang. Ay, picture muna tayo dito.
say hi guys.
Hi. We've reached our napakainit na destination pero dito na parang
Super init.
Parang ayoko na bumaba.
So sarado kasi yung Mount Samat kaya maglalakad lang tayo ng saglit. And then we're gonna go. So let's see the view around here. So So as you can see, pure nature. So, bababa na kami. We will look for a banking spot to get our bank shots with my friends and me. So it will be great with a banking shot, and we'll be going. We'll be going gasless. Gasless boy. As you can see, it's a big stretch, and I'm here as one-hander. Sa kamay lang. Woohoo! So it's a one-hander banking with some actions. What's up? Say hi, bro. And a one-hander banking again for me and you. Woo! No engine. Mount Samat on the go. Hirap mag-banking. So it's a one-hander banking for me and for you. Ryan! Ryan! So it's a gasless downhill. Pure nature. I'm with my friend here. Motoyo. Bakit? Motoyo. Hirapan. Dito? Madulas dito eh.
Oo, mapuno dito. Maraming ano. Doon sa kabila pa yata. Dito yun.
What's up? Say peace out, peace out. Pwede rin dyan. Pwede rin dyan. Woo! Look at this shit. It's a no-hander. Downhill. Ayaw nyo dito? Ayaw nyo dito?